This list is purely to teach people about the effects and side effects of drug use and does not condone the use of such drugs. Number 10. GHB. GHB, or gamma hydroxybutyrate, is a depressant that causes euphoria and helps with anxiety, but can cause the user to pass out. GHB is also the most common date rape drug. Number 9. Benzodiazepines. Benzodiazepines, or benzos, are a family of drugs used to treat a lot of different mental illnesses and are commonly prescribed by physicians. Benzos reduce overreacting neurons, but patients build a tolerance quickly and often have to up their prescription. The dependency rate is 1.89, and getting off these drugs can take years. Number 8. Amphetamines. Amphetamines are also commonly prescribed to patients who have ADHD or ADD. Amphetamines are said to get a euphoric high and sometimes even cause the patient to trip. Amphetamines have a dependency rating of 1.95 and is a central nervous system stimulant. Number 7. Cocaine. Cocaine is also a stimulant and is commonly used by rock stars and famous celebrities because it's so expensive. Cocaine's dependency rate is 2.13 because the high causes a feeling of supremacy and elevated mood and energy, but the high does not last long. Number 6. Alcohol. Another legal drug is alcohol and is extremely common across the world. Alcohol also has a dependency rate of 2.13 because it relaxes, reduces anxiety, and makes the user more social, but can cause liver failure, brain damage, cancer, and other health defects. Number 5. Methamphetamine. Not to be confused with amphetamines, methamphetamine, or meth, is similar to cocaine because it makes the user more elevated and euphoric. Meth activates more dopamine in the brain than cocaine, making the user even more euphoric. However, meth causes a lot of physical and mental health problems like rotting teeth, sores, paranoia, anxiety, and even psychosis. Meth's dependency rate is 2.24. Number 4. Methadone. Also not to be confused with methamphetamine, methadone is a drug used to treat heroin use and is addictive because it treats heroin withdrawal symptoms, which is abused because it allows the users to use heroin without the side effects. Its addiction rate is 2.68. Number 3. Nicotine. Nicotine is a very addictive drug found in cigarettes. Nicotine mimics acetylcholine receptors but also reduces the number of receptors in the brain, which makes the user more relaxed and less stressed out. However, use of nicotine can cause mouth cancer, throat cancer, lung cancer, stomach cancer, sores, blisters, and ulcers. And nicotine's dependency rate is 2.82. Yeah, I think I'll pass. Number 2. Crack cocaine. A cheaper alternative to cocaine because it's at a lower purity level and is smoked instead of snorted. Crack's dependency level is also at 2.82. When smoked, the high comes on much quicker and more intense, but doesn't last as long at all, which makes the user feel the need for more and can therefore cause them to feel depressed, suicidal, agitation, and insomnia, and has similar health side effects to meth. Number 1. Heroin. Heroin is the most addictive drug on the planet and is derived from the poppy plants. Yes, the same plant that produces the seeds on your hamburger bun, and is a very strong opiate. Heroin is a very popularly abused drug by rock stars like Kurt Cobain, Janis Joplin, Steven Tyler, John Lennon, and hundreds more. Heroin gives the user euphoria and pain relief, but withdrawal symptoms are often fever, nausea, vomiting, and cravings for more of the drug. Heroin's dependency rate is 2.89, and use of this drug can cause collapsed veins, sores, respiratory illness, coma, and death.